I have a secret, can you keep it? It involves spilling blood and your waste, don't mistake my intention. It's not sin or a murder for carnal disgrace, that would be unlawful. It's law-filled, there's a purpose right now while you're facing the ground. Who wants to see this firsthand, what I'm talking about, while your family screams? Coming closer, my grip it holds you. Feel the rush of my boiling veins. Impact of your energy growing, react to your enemy slowing, pushing forward to the things that make you scream. I have a motive, a focus, I won't repent from regret as I choke you to death in my choices. These voices won't get out of my head as you panic, you're breathing harder on me. But do you perceive and believe you're becoming my victim? So listen, I'm screaming so loud that I can't even hear myself coming.